Today I want to talk about this issue. This issue is get the maximum score, and the basic description is it has a two array to increasing array, and in this array, and you can traverse the elements from left to right, and when you get the when you encounter the same position, same value position in the upon previous row and the next row, and in that position it is a sand gate, and I can go the next array, and I also can go the previous array. So you can select the different array and get the score, and so I will to representation it use someone like this, and this is first row, first array, and the array. Second array is in this operation. Both array has the same operation for the same operation, and that means in this operation it is a based operation for the operation for the previous of this operation, and the first array can only go from left to right. This is the path. And for the next array, and it's also only one path from left to right. And when these two paths encounter this operation and the previous score 1 and score 2, in this one, I can select which score is higher, is better, and I can select the higher score to go the next, go the later, go the later operation, and the previous pass based on this operation, and I can ensure the previous pass. For the previous pass, it can be taken to the next visited. That means like this one. So that means the for this operation, the score can be depends the previous pass, and is we cannot estimate the future score, and we can ensure in this operation ensure the score. So this one, that means we can encounter the next same operation for this operation, and I also need to ensure the score for every array, and I need a variable to record the current maximum score in this path. And so when I finish traverse the two array, and the final result is get the maximum between the first pass score and the second pass score. So for this representation, and I need to use a two point ij point. That means the ij can, according to different situation, to move the point, and how should move the point and ensure from the same value operation, and that means if current two operation, and when I need to move the smaller element operation, element operation, and then I also need has two score variable, and to record the current array maximum score. And I will try my code, and the operation is this one, and I need to variable record the maximum sum score and the length, the array length, array 1 length is m. Array 2 length is n numbers, and I will go the to operation 2 points, 3 minus 1, and the corner case is any array is located end, and I equals n. That means this is first array go the end, and I will to check the second array. First is if j is n, I, then m. I will m and j plus plus. Y, the second sum will be add the current number, current operation, current element value numbers 2, and if j equals n, that means I will update x value more than the first array operation, and this will be I. This will be j. So else is the two array not located under, both array not the end of operation, and I will to compare the current operation, and if the numbers first element less than the next element, and I will let the first array point plus 1 go forward, and also x will be changed numbers I, and also to copy similar logic for the second array. Second array is the first element more than the next element, and this will be updated y, and 2j plus plus. So otherwise, it's current two elements has the same value, and I reached the send gate operation, and right now I will to get the maximum of previous two paths. Path is number 1 I. The second path is y. Second path score is y. Number 2 j, and also y equals x, and I plus plus, and j plus plus. So the final result is return max x and y. So right now I finished the basic logical, and I will try run the operation to verify my thinking, my logic is while, no, while, this one, public, and the while, not, yeah, bucket, this one, and I will try more test case. Second test case, and the number test case. We will finish this. So that is correct. Wrong results, but it has a one issue. Another issue is the final result may be too large, and we need to mod this value, and I will define a mode. The mode equals and it's use the int structure cast. Structure cast, and for every avoid the boundary, and I need to define the xy is long type. For the final, I will to get the mode and use a cast structure cast to convert its int. I will try this one. It's also correct, and I will try the submit. Yeah, it's finished. So that is basic. That is my idea. My idea is for the use two points. Every pointer to every pointer is to point to the corresponding array from the left to right, and when the current element is smaller, and to move this current point go forward, and to for the during the point moving, and I need to check the different scenario, and the corner case is when any array is end, and I can only move another array point. There's two scenario, and another scenario is current. I need to select the smaller element and to add the element into the corresponding score path, and then to move the current array in point. This is two similar situation, and the most common the very specific scenario is when these two elements is equal. This is the standard gate. In this operation, and the previous two paths can be combined as a maximum score, and then the 2 points at the same time go forward one step. So finally, I will return this current two paths score maximum value between these two score, and I will try the code in C++. C++ will be define long and its size and the remote can be then this one. This is max, and for C++, each will use the key. Right now, long, and right now I will try it. It's also passed. So that is for the basic idea for 2 points, and this is the first initialize. I can consider the 2 points difficultly, but when I to analysis the moving rules, and then I can consider use 2 points, and the additional variable is to set to some score variable, and everywhere the first sum score to check the first array pass, and the second score to check the second array, and the final result is gets the maximum between these two score sum. So that is my idea for this problem. Hope that is helpful. Thank you very much.